Hi, I'm 小鱼老师, Teacher 小鱼. Today's topic is about two commonly missed factors about Pinyin and my spelling method for 5 tones. First, why do I say there are missing factors? The short answer is that the 5-tone marks don't reflect the actual sound of speaking fully. Let's take a look. When you start to learn Mandarin Chinese, most likely this is the 5-tone spelling you will see. And the 5 tones sound this way. Ma, 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 ma. However, in the sentence, the 3rd tone becomes a low sound, no curving. Here is an example, I love you. In order to show how the 3rd tone becomes a low sound, I will read the sentence twice. First, to follow the pinyin, then I will speak in a normal way. 我爱你我爱你 When we speak, not only the 3rd tone changes into low sound, but also some tones change, depends on the combination with other characters. Look at the example, I miss you, and listen to the sentence. 我想你 Notice a 3rd tone changes into the 2nd. Again, 我想你 Now, in order to reflect the actual sound of the 5 tones, I use a different spelling method. Look at the conversion table. First tone, ma. High sound, all uppercase. 2nd tone, ma. Rising sound, lowercase, then uppercase. 3rd tone, ma. Low sound, all lowercase. 4th tone, ma. Dropping sound, uppercase, then lowercase. The neutral tone, ma. Light and short, all lowercase with an asterisk. Now let's try it. Listen to me and pay attention to the tones, and to see which spelling is closer to the speaking. 你好你好 And try another one. 我很想你 Again, 我很想你 Fact number 1. The 3rd tone sounds low, not curving. Fact number 2. Tones may change in sentences. And finally, my spelling reflects the actual sound of speaking. Okay, that's all for today. This is a Little Fish Chinese. If you like my videos, please consider to subscribe, like, and share. 谢谢，再见。